Give it a sec for the pain to start. This wreck right here, it ain't for the faint of heart. They thought they saw the worst verse from the team of G-Men.
What's up, guys? We made it to the auto show. Daniel's car's right behind me. We're gonna do some media on it. Then we're gonna get some interview type stuff with the guys. B-roll of Nakai doing his thing. Obviously, I missed the first cuts. I'm here a little bit later, so it's all right. I'll show you what's going on, and then let's catch up with Daniel in a second. Morning. All right, we're here at the New York Auto Show, New York International Auto Show, with my best bud, Daniel, my accountant.
I can point out this is take two.
This is take two.
I'm not gonna let him slide on.
We did this really well, really well. We're at the New York International Auto Show. We're here with Crown Speed Lab, and Nakai San obviously is in the back right now doing Daniel's RWB build. This car has always been cool, unfortunately, because he's got a big ego. I drove the car when it first got done, and we're excited to drive it after.
He also used all my gas and didn't fill up the tank.
I was in a hurry. I had to get on a flight. I took my dad to golfing in it. Yeah, we did. We went golfing in it.
Didn't fill up the tank.
I'll fill up. Look at some of those pictures right here. So, realistically, can you give us a little quick rundown on the car?
It's a LS3, a GM Performance LS3 motor on flex fuel E85. It was swapped by Chavis Performance Engineering out in Maryland.
Who you're going to meet in a minute.
Yeah, the car was fully painted, windows out, in 2 weeks by Pedro at Villar Auto Body.
Who does a ton of Tough Club stuff.
Yes, he's out in Jersey. Did a lot of custom fabrication work done by a local gentleman from Midnight Specialties.
Which is that third brake light?
He did the third brake light. He did the Ganador mirrors.
Which have IS300 bases.
I don't think he knows what he's talking about. I am not gatekeeping, but I might be a little bit. Just give me my year.
I didn't measure them on my car.
Okay, we'll take a walkthrough.
All right.
It has a F1 style third brake light mirror, full titanium exhaust with a turn down tip. We do have carbon roof that's paint to match. I thought that was super cool. We also did that on the interior parts. Ganador mirrors that are also carbon. See, all the extra accent pieces I did in, so we did like 3 shades darker. And a functional tow hook. See, so we're good to go. That's all I got.
I'm gonna take some footage from Morgan here. He works for Grassroots. I'll link his Instagram right here. He got us some sweet footage of the first cuts and all that. So let's take a peek at that. And then let's get right back in. really close to a lot of people right now. What are we doing right now?
I took a smoke break. I tried to buy time because I wanted my family to be here to rip the banner off.
Oh, we're ripping the banner off. Got it. All right, guys, it's the end of the show. Nakai has finished up.
You want me to sign your shirt?
Oh, no.
No?
You can sign it. You know what?
Sign it.
He just defaced the Speed Culture shirt, but it's he's gonna love that for the rest of forever. And if I can give him something, I'm happy I can give him that. But Daniel, it's the end of the day. It's the end of the build. How are you feeling?
I'm just happy it worked out, and I'm happy that all my friends and family are here, because that's what's most important to me. That everyone was here to celebrate it and kind of be a part of it. Because it's not worth it if I'm doing it by myself. I'll be honest.
It was cool to see have all the guys together. Like I said, we're from all parts of the country at this point. We all started here in New York. It used to just be a bunch of guys with cars that we like, and it turned into this. And yeah, I'm happy to be a part of it. So this is pretty awesome.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you for coming, man.
Now, let's roll into some B-roll of the car. Let's show you it up. And then in July, we're going to do a video on this thing in the mountains or in Montauk. Something cool. But
We got to get tacos. I want tacos.
we're going to get tacos. And we're going to call it fast food. It's going to be start of a really cool series, so you'll see that. Let's roll into some nice messages from all the guys.
B-roll?
See?
Daniel, bro, love your work, love your car. I missed your corgis, bro. Good job, dude.
Looking forward to seeing this thing out on the street, scraping up all the lips, maybe nicking the fenders a little bit on the cobblestone out in New York.
I hope it doesn't fit in your garage. He has the whole city behind him. Everyone's so supportive. Everyone's here. Look at this shit. There's so many people.
Just because you're RWB Dan now doesn't mean you're still more famous than Jordan.
You're such a cool guy now.
No, he wasn't before.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Daniel. Happy for you. Welcome to the RWB family.
Fuck this man for making me work all tax season. Didn't give me no break.
You deserve this, brother. Thank you so much for having me. It was a great honor. It's really fun. I'll see you soon.
Here's my message. Here's my message. That's it.
We're so happy to help you accomplish this dream of yours, and we're happy that you're happy.
A house call, I'm not going. I'm so sorry, but I'm not touching this car. Once again, I'm not touching it. Congrats on this. I'm so happy for all your accomplishments.
From the ultimate days to this, full circle, man. We were here as kids, watching cars, think we could be somebody. We're more than somebody's brother. Love you, man.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Perfect.
All right.
Thank you guys for watching. It's a little bit different than the stuff we typically come out with, but I want to do more of it. Really excited to get in this car and drive with Daniel. We're going to come out with some cool footage. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week, and a lot more to come. Peace.
Yeah, we 2 men lifting.
I sat there. I was like, I've been going to the gym every day.
Everybody check out these veins! I'm being chicken. I didn't drive the car with What?